Hello everyone, my name is Will Brooks and my mission is to make coding fun and easy to learn. In this short video, I will show you 3 ways to remove the underline from a link tag. I am using Replit as my text editor because it's easy to see the changes you make. You write code in the middle and I can see the changes quickly on the right side. To keep this video short, I have already created 2 subpages that are linked to the main page. If you don't know how to create subpages or links, please refer to my earlier video for a tutorial on that subject. I have a link to page 2 and a link to page 3, and as you can see, we have the pesky underline under our links. So let's click on this, and then it says, hello, this is page 2. Let's refresh that, go to page 3. Hello, this is page 3. The links work. Okay, good, perfect. The first way that I will show you how to remove the underline is from the main page. That is called Inline Styling. Now let's look in the code in the middle of the page. I have a link on line 11 and another link tag on line 13. We are going to remove the underline from the first link on line 11. So I'm going to go into line 11, hit space, and type style. Space equals space, we need the double quote, and now we have the 3 magic words, and they are text dash decoration colon space and then none. Text decoration none. Okay, so we see that text decoration, the 3 magic words. Let's hit run and look to the right. We have lost our underline. Let's see if the link still works. It does. Hello, this is page 2. Let's go back. Perfect. So we did that. So in order to recreate that on line 13, this is kind of a pain, but you have to copy and paste that to line 13. Let's try that right now. Let's hit copy and let's paste that onto line 13. So we'll go back up here, space, and let's paste it. Great. Okay, so I pasted it there, and let's hit run. And now they're both gone. Well, that was a 2-step process. I don't like 2-step processes if we can do that in one. And we can do that in one. One note about inline styling as well. Inline styles only apply to that one specific element, so it's generally not good practice to use inline styles. The second way to remove the underline, and most common, is to use an external style sheet. But first, let's go ahead and delete what we just created here. So we start from scratch again. Let's delete that first one, and then let's delete the second one here. And then we'll hit run and bring us back to ground zero. Run. There we go. Our pesky underlines are there. So if we look at line 11 and line 13, after the less than sign, you have the letter A. So we're going to go to our style sheet on the left side here. You see that's blue on the style sheet. Don't worry about what's on top from line 1 to 4. I just created that just so that it's easier to see on the right side. So we're going to just go down here. We're going to type in A. We're going to do space. And then we're going to do a curly bracket. I'm going to hit return. So we have our closing curly bracket down there. And so then now all we have to do is type in the 3 magic words, which is text dash decoration colon space none. And let's hit run. And they're gone. We did it in one easy step. Now that brings us to our third method. But first we have to delete what we just did here so we can start back from scratch again. Okay, so let's hit run. Great, we have those pesky underlines. So in the third method, what if we just want to delete the underline link, the underline from the link on go to page 3, but leave the one above that and use our external style sheet? Well, we can definitely do that. In that case, we have to add some class to our code. And I'm not talking dress it up and take it out. I mean, literally, we have to add class to our code. So we're going to go to line 13 on our main page, and we're going to, let me pop this up here. We're going to go in there and hit a space in front of the A. And then we're going to type in class. Okay, we're going to space equals, and then we need the double quotation. Now in this case, we're not going to type in our 3 magic words yet, which is text decoration none. We're going to type in anything we want to type in. We're just going to be, we're naming this class. So I can put remove here, meaning remove underline. You can put anything you want. And for the sake of this, let's just put pizza, because like I said, you can put anything you want. We're going to put pizza in there. We're going to call this class pizza. Okay, so now let's hit run. And it doesn't do anything because we have to go to our external style sheet on the left, all right? So let's click on the external style sheet there. And we're going to click on line 6. And we're going to type in dot and pizza right there. So the dot means we're targeting a class, and pizza is the class name. How about that? Space. We need a curly bracket like we always do here. Let's do space. And now come the 3 magic words. Text dash decoration colon none. Okay, and let's hit run and let's see what happens. And perfect. Go to page 3 on the right side. The underline is gone. The link still works, just the underline is gone. Well, let's recap what we did today. We first used inline styling to remove one of the underlines. Actually, we removed both of them, but that is not recommended. We then used an external style sheet to remove both underlines at once. Very easy. And finally, we added a class to our main page and styled that in our external style sheet. If you learned something today, please subscribe and hit the like button. I will be making more short videos just like this. If there's something you want to learn or need more clarification on, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you again and see you in the next video.